It's your girl Kpcutie with another video today. I am doing a Pinterest inspired winter casual theme TikTok video. I don't know how I'm gonna title this, but I'm gonna probably title it. I don't know what it's gonna title, but whatever. I want you guys before we get into the video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video. And let's get into this video. Hey, go check out our new shop. It's called New Fest, and it has everything you ever dreamed or wanted. There's hoodies, there's sweats, there's a sweat set, there's unisex, there's kids collections, feminine collections, and masculine collection. So basically you can guys get anything you want. You can get from tops to bottoms. I heard a little bit that they're coming out with accessories. I don't know for sure, but check it out because there's like a lot of great stuff over there. I even bought a few things myself, so go check out New Fest, newfest.com. That's the name. I'll link it down in the description box below, and go check it out for yourself and see. I'll also link the image right here, or show up an image on the screen, or have the video right next to me. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but go check it out. Or like Into and all that stuff, so go check out that brand. Check them out. I just want to come in quick and say that, so bye. Back to the video.
gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for war, man, forget my peace. You take the west, I'll take on the east. I'ma put him in a cage, never let out the. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Yeah, just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome. The pan, if you wanna touch me, please use caution. Beg, please get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the trees. I got a few tricks up in the sleeve. One wrong move, I'ma let out the. Big shoes, check out the crease. Blow like I'm Bigfoot, step on the beat. Make a man's run till he step out the cleats. When the whole place scream, gotta get out the. Yeah, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Yeah, just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome. Yeah, hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Mans keep walking, yeah. Just too sharp with the prize. Let her tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the pan. If you wanna touch me, please use caution. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Yeah, I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking.
Okay, these that was a video of me do my TikTok.
Move that grump behind off from behind you.
No, you look cute.
He looks grumpy.
Grumpy is cute.
Okay, fine.
He looks cute. Well, kids, that was it for my TikTok Pinterest inspired video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified. See you guys next week. Bye, cuties.